Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm just doing an around the world palette, and I got this in a Beautycon box, and it's just a really natural kind of fun look. And I'm starting off with the Nuxe Hydra Touch primer and then going in with the L'Oreal True Match foundation. This is a very nice foundation. I have dry skin, so for me it works very well. And I'm blending that out with the Beauty Blender Real Techniques. And then to prime my eyes, I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot, and this is in the shade Soft Ochre. And this is just going to make your eyeshadow last longer and kind of keep it from creasing. And then dipping into the Around the World palette from Cargo. This is a very neutral palette, but I think you can make some looks out of it, but nothing too crazy. I'm starting off with the shade Rome, and this is a really nice matte shade, white. All over the lid, I'm going to go in with the shade London. And then going in with the shade Athens in the crease. I like how all the names are names of like major cities, especially around the world. I'm trying to go for more of a gray smoky vibe. And then going in with the shade Dublin. And right in the outer edge to kind of smoke that out. These colors are kind of light, but they're very blendable. Smoking out the shade Dublin under the eyes with my scone brush. I've been liking doing this with my eyeshadow above and below my eyes instead of doing like an eyeliner because it's not quite as dramatic. On the lid, going in with the shade Rome again to make it more of a highlight. And then taking the shade Shanghai and blending that out in the crease. This is a more tan shade, so it'll blend out nicer into my skin. Then going in with a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. It's a very heavy duty concealer, but very, very good. But everyone talked about it, so I don't need to say much. And then blending that out with a Beauty Blender again. I've been putting the concealer underneath my contours to kind of set it and make sure everything looks even. And then dipping into the contour kit from Anastasia and just kind of setting the under eye concealer with a light white shade. It's hard for me to tell what the shades are on this one, and that's one of the flaws I find with this palette. And the powders are kind of dry, but it is a nice quality palette. And then going in with a kind of darker cocoa brown. And I like to go in a 3 around the perimeter of my face and kind of chiseling out my cheekbones and my jawline. And to make sure it's blended with my neck, just kind of adding the bronzer around there. And then bronzing around my nose. And then blending that all together with a fluffy brush. And all the brushes that I'm using are the Real Techniques for the face contour. For blush, I'm dipping in the Tarte shade Genius in Amazonian Clay. These are nice blushes, but they're very subtle. For a highlight, I'm using the Crushed Pearl and just kind of doing that on the cheeks and down my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And then setting it off with the Urban Decay setting spray, and then dabbing the wetness with my Beauty Blender so there's no like dewdrops from the setting spray. Lipstick, I'm using the Star Looks in Piquant. Anyways, that completes this look featuring the Cargo Around the World palette. I hope you guys like it. I actually got this palette in a Beautycon box, and I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys featuring the Cargo palette and also a few other goodies. If you guys would like to be entered, make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you leave a comment below saying something, whatever you'd like. It could just be anything. And just make sure you're subscribed. And my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the giveaway. And once I do, I will be choosing a winner. We'll be winning these little goodies right here, pictured here. And I hope you guys enjoy this little giveaway and this look. And feel free to subscribe and like. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.